Hello and welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today I have for you guys Ipsy Ultimate, and Ipsy Ultimate is a makeup, skincare, beauty subscription box. It goes for $50 a month. I will tell you guys that I was going to cancel this box, and what I ended up doing, going through the process of canceling it, I ended up just pausing it, just because sometimes it can be good and I want to see if it gets better. I'll keep an eye on it and see if they up their game. I just figured it would be easier to pause it for 3 months opposed to canceling and then deciding in a couple months that I wanted to resubscribe. So that's what I ultimately did. I paused it. So this is my last Ipsy Ultimate until I decide that I want to get it again. I would just like to take a minute, since my videos are kind of like a vlog for my memory. I do just want to take a minute to say that our oldest dog, Happy, passed today. She is 17 years old. Technically, she was Diana's dog. Obviously, she was a household dog, but she was Diana's dog. So Diana has had her since she's been about 5 years old, and Vlad has only known Happy. Like, you know, she's been around his entire life. So I just want to throw a picture up of her somewhere right here and just say we love you and we're going to miss you. We did get her cremated, so we will have her ashes with us. And Diana wants to get like a necklace, and so we're going to get that for her, like one of the necklaces that you can put the ashes in. So I just wanted to take a minute to say that we're going to miss her and that we love her, and today has been a little rough, and probably this weekend will continue to be a little rough. So let's get into hold on a second. All right, let's get into Ipsy Ultimate. So you open it up, and this is what I see. I had no intentions on filming today. I had no idea that this was even coming. So, you know, messy ponytail and all, here we are today. I did want to get this up for you guys, but I had no intentions on filming at all. And I kind of really hope that my Jeffree Star mystery boxes, that my mystery star, the mystery boxes, I'm hoping that they don't come until Monday. Anyway, there is a current giveaway going on right now. It is linked down in the description. And also, I will also link in the description my last couple of lives that I've done, where we just talk about the mystery boxes, where I got the mystery boxes. I will also throw up a picture. I did get my tracking last night. If I didn't mention that earlier, I did get my tracking last night, so I will throw that up in one of the corners. And oh my God, I totally had no intentions on film. Anyway, let's get into this, shall we? Let's see what Ipsy has to offer. So, as you know, you guys, this box has been like really hit or miss. But look, I got a card in my Ipsy Ultimate, which is something I have, and it doesn't say anything. It says, will you be our Valentine? So the first thing I am pulling out, and that's one of the main reasons that I canceled this, is because you don't get a card. And it's, I don't know. Ooh, but this, I like this bag. It's velvety. It's pink. It's not as large as usually the ones that come in this, but I mean, it's a good size, so that's cool. The next thing I am pulling out is Nature's Cartel. And this is, I don't know what this is. So this is what the packaging looks like. I think the packaging is really pretty. Oh, it looks like shaky. So let's open this up without breaking the packaging. Okay, so it's a trio. Okay, and they're not on very tight. So it's a trio of eyeshadows. Oh wait, maybe not? Those look wet. What are these? Okay. No, it isn't. They're eyeshadow creams. Okay, I will not wear these. I will 100% pass these along, but I will open them and show them. So they're just nude. They're nude colors. So there's this one, and this one is called Champagne Scandal. I don't wear a lot of cream products on my face. If I do, it might be like I might wear a cream blush, or I might wear a cream highlighter, but typically I don't wear cream products on my face. I just don't. That's a really pretty color too, though. Let's see, Tan Line from Tahiti. It is a really pretty color. I don't like cream products. Well, let's see, and the next one is 90s Nude. That's really pretty. That looks more like what's the word I'm looking for? Bronze. Pinky bronze? Bronze with a pink shift? I don't know. I don't know why it looks like that in the center though. Does that look weird to you guys? Does it look like somebody stuck their finger in that and swirled it around? Let me see. Let me look. Like the other ones don't look like that. Can you see the difference? Here, let me open this one again. Can you see how it kind of looks like someone it looks dull. The word I'm looking for is duller. Do you see how it looks a little duller in the center? Like someone may have stuck their finger in there and swirled it around? I don't know, that's weird. I don't know. We will just let that go for now. I will investigate a little bit longer, or in depth in a little bit, anyway. The next thing I'm pulling out are 3 face masks. We've got ginger and vitamin C. We've got kale and vitamin B. And we've got beet and vitamin A. You guys know I'm always down for a good face mask. So that's cool. And the next thing I am pulling out are these set of brushes. Those look nice. I'm not going to take them out of the package because Shayna B. I've never heard of that person. S-H-A-I-N-A and then B, the letter B. So I don't know. I'm gonna leave these in the package because I don't know what I want to do with them. I don't know if I want to keep them or pass them along. They are really pretty, but I might just pass them along. I have a lot of brushes at this point in my life. The next is Feel Harmony Rose Petal Facial Mask. All right, okay, it has a safety seal on it, so I'm not going to break the safety seal. Can you guys see? It kind of looks like gel-like in there. Can you see that? Can you see if I turn it? See how it just kind of falls to one side or the other? Huh, that's interesting. Okay, so since it has a safety seal on it, I will probably just pass this along because it does have the word rose in it. You guys know how I feel about rose, so. The next thing I am pulling out is Tokyo Milk Neptune the Mermaid Hand Cream. I don't know, that packaging is so cute though. I might keep this. Oh, okay. There's something in there shaking around. I wonder what that is. I don't actually see anything in there, but this is what the packaging looks like. That is really pretty. Tokyo Milk Neptune the Mermaid Anthromessa Shea Butter Hand Cream. Okay, so I do have a lot of lotions. If you guys aren't aware, I do collect lotions, so I have quite a bit. I think I will just pass this along to someone that can get more use out of it than I can. The next thing I am pulling out is a sample size of Cali's, I don't know, Better Bean Clean Face Coffee Cleanser. So that is that. It is just a travel size. I will pass that along. The next thing I'm pulling out is Polar, the Genuine Lapland Cream. I have no idea what any of that means. This is also a travel size. Let's see if I can read the tiny, tiny thing on the back here. Okay, so it's for the lips. I will keep this. God, that took a lot of reading to just get to the fact that that's for lips. But let's move on. The next thing is Fully Fire Matte Manipulation. It's a cream matte lipstick. And the packaging looks like this, but let's see what the actual color. Now, I won't swatch this. I will most than likely pass this along. Oh, I think I've gotten this. Sunset Boulevard. No, I don't have this color. I have like a red color. It's pretty, but I can, oh, my lighting, there we go. It's pretty, I'm not going to swatch it. It's just like a pinky nude color. I will pass that along through a giveaway. Let's see. The next thing I'm pulling out is Tula Skincare, the Cult Classic Purifying Face Cleanser. And it looks like this. It's a travel size, so I will just probably throw that. You know what, I'll hold on. I don't have too many travel size facial cleansers, so I will actually keep this because, you know, traveling. I like to travel. Okay, the next thing I am pulling out is Catherine Malandrino Dream. There's a lot of these things I have not heard of. Oh, it's perfume. It is a very large perfume sample. It's on the larger side of things. I think it's an okay smell without spraying it. I can smell it through the little hole. I think it's an okay scent, not necessarily my kind of scent, so I will just pass this along to one of you. That is a really good size though, you guys. So I'm not mad at the size or anything. This, for someone that doesn't wear perfume that often or has a bunch to choose from, this would last you forever. The next thing I am pulling out is Grace and Stella, This Rose Ain't Thorny. Rose Quartz Facial Massager. Okay, I'm not going to open this. I'm going to leave it sealed because I actually have two of these. Not this brand, but I have a couple of rose quartz. Well, I have a rose quartz roller and I have a jade roller. So I'm going to pass this along to one of you guys because I'm sure one of you guys out there can get some use out of it. So the last thing I am pulling out, I don't know why I'm getting this again. I have actually, this is the second time I have gotten, wait, no, Berry Burst. Maybe I haven't gotten Berry Burst through Ipsy. I know that I got the other one. What was it called? Tutti Frutti, I think. I know I got that one in Ipsy. I specifically picked that one for Ipsy because I already owned it and I wanted to give it to one of you guys. Well, I did not pick this. I actually didn't even get an email to pick anything this go round. I don't know. Ipsy's just acting really weird, but I own this. So, and I do like it. So I will be passing this along to one of you guys. This is a really nice palette. So that is Ipsy Ultimate. Ooh, I've been talking way, way, way too long. I will try to cut it down. I do not like my videos to be this long unless it's like a live or get ready with me or something crazy like that. I'll try to cut this down, but say bye to Ipsy Ultimate for now. Bye, Ipsy Ultimate. I hope you get better. Bye. Have a great day.